Thank you.
So my name is Paola. I'm a massage therapist on board.
Thank you.
You need some tissues for your...
They'll dry off.
It'll try.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
So let's start from here. This is our teeth whitening area.
Okay.
We have this unique product on board that is for the teeth whitening. Teeth whitening takes only 20 minutes. No
Okay.
pain, no sensibility. And you can make your teeth 1 to 8 shades different.
Oh, wow. This is great.
Yes.
Okay.
So the good thing about this is that you do the treatment and you
Mhm.
take this gadget at home with you.
Oh,
So you can keep the results that you get here, or either you can make it a little bit more whiter
over
at
time?
home, over time at home.
Okay.
So if you want to do it for one person, it's $199, and for couples it's $358.
Thank you very much.
Alright. So here we have our time machine. Here we have our doctor Jorge, all the way from Venezuela. He's a specialist in facial rejuvenation.
Okay.
One of his treatment is dermage, that is skin tightening.
Uh-huh.
So if you do skin tightening, it doesn't take any downtime for you. You can do anything after the treatment. And if you want to have a quick chat with the doctor, we can check his ability. We also have cold scalping. Cold scalping is a fat freezing treatment. It's the same, doesn't take too much time, and it doesn't take any downtime to after the treatment.
Okay.
He also do fillers. He also do Botox.
Okay. Thank you.
And then we have also treatments with our facialist on board. We use the last technology that it calls Biotech.
Uh-huh.
So the facialist, further than anything, she will analyze your skin and tell you which is the exact treatment that you need for your skin to get the best results.
So this is more of a facial, not like a laser or anything.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. It's a facial, and we use different technologies.
Oh, okay.
So here I give you. Oh, sorry.
Oh, thank you
I
very,
give you the
very
menu
much.
with all the treatments.
Oh, thank you. Do you need this back, or do I get to keep this?
Oh, you can keep it. It's
Oh,
for you. Yes.
thank
yes.
you. Excuse me. Thanks, Gordon.
So we also have here our Dr. Hong Yang. She's acupuncturist all the way from China, 3rd generation of acupuncture.
Is she really?
Yes.
She's probably very good.
Yes, she's amazing. So the good thing about acupuncture, it can treat more than 100 concerns in the body. So not only for the body, but for stress related. If you want to quit smoke, or you want to, if you have angels, you want to reduce the appetite, when you feel the anxiety of eating, or many things she can treat, not only body pain, right?
Okay.
So she can also have a quick chat if you're interested in treat something. She's available on board.
Okay. Thank you.
Our treatment room as well.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
Yes. We
Very
also
nice.
have treatment rooms for couples,
Mm-hmm.
and we also have room for single with a wonderful view.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
the massages that we have are Swedish massage, we have hot stone massage, bamboo massage, we have Thai poultice, but we also have special beds, right?
Okay.
So most of the special beds are here on the menu.
Okay.
I will just show you this one that is available now
Okay.
and explain a little bit about the others. So this is Ashidom.
Okay.
Ashidom is the last technology for body detoxification.
Oh.
Right? So you can detoxify your full body, and not only your body, but it will treat your skin and your face skin with the light therapy that it uses.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank
so
you.
if you feel like
So sorry. Whoops.
sorry.
So sorry.
It's okay.
What's that called again?
Ashido.
Ashido.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So here, as I was saying, we have soul stone massage, hot stone massage, bamboo massage, also Thai poultice. Thai poultice, this is the herbal. It has herbs inside.
Ooh, it smells
It's
lovely.
Really nice.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, this
Very
is
nice.
also good for detoxify the body and enhance the system.
Uh-huh.
This is coconut.
Oh, that
It's very
smells
good
lovely.
for the skin.
Oh,
If you feel that your skin is dry, then coconut Thai poultice is really good to
to
moisturize. the
moisturize.
skin.
Thank you.
So another of the specialty bed that we have is ocean wave. So it's a cushion bed
Uh-huh.
where you will have a wrap, right? Algae wrap, and then you will have reflexology, massage. You will have scalp massage, and then after the wrap, you will have a shower and a full body massage after that.
Okay.
So the bed, the good thing about the bed is that you are using special healing music, relaxing
Oh,
music while
uh-huh.
doing the treatment as well.
Oh, that's very nice.
We also have another treatment, is called ionothermy. It's a treatment that specifically treat the cellulite in our body.
Uh-huh.
It also reduces some inches. So the therapist will measure before and after the
Oh.
treatment as well.
Does it last for quite a while, or does it come back really quick?
No, it's so when you mean the results.
Yes.
You can see the results after the first treatment, but depending on which is your goal,
Uh-huh.
you may need to do 1 or 2 or 3 treatments.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it's lasting results.
Yeah, it's lasting.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
And
Until you
also-
eat what you shouldn't eat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it uses red algae, so it detoxify and help to release with the lymphatic system all the toxins that
Oh.
we have in the body. That's why we have
Okay.
liquid retention or swollen legs, because sometimes our body is acidic
Mm-hmm.
for the environment, for the drinks, the food.
Mhm.
So it helps to release everything.
Oh, thank you.
So here we have the changing rooms.
Oh, very nice.
So the changing rooms, you have lockers.
Uh-huh.
Inside the lockers, you have a rolls where you can change before your treatment.
Very nice.
Then you have showers and of course the ladies' room and here
Okay,
for the
gentlemen.
gents.
Okay.
Alright.
It's just so beautiful, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is. Those palms look so beautiful from here.
They are so
So
beautiful.
this is our relaxation lounge. Here's where we usually bring people for before their treatment.
Uh-huh.
I always recommend to come 15 to 20 minutes, 15 to 10 minutes before the treatment, because you need to fill up a form.
Okay.
And then so you can just enjoy, have the full spa experience before your treatment.
Okay. Thank you.
And then here we have the thermal suites. Thermal suites are exclusive for Aqua Class members, but and for Aqua Sky suites as
Uh-huh.
well. But we have some full day passes or 2-day passes for those who are not part of the
Oh,
Aqua
okay.
Class as well.
Okay.
So this is the front of the ship. As you can see, we have. Hello.
Hi.
If you want to go and take a picture or see outside, you can feel free to do it. Here we have the heated beds.
Oh, that's very nice. So is this the Persian garden area?
So
or
this
no?
is actually this is the thermal suites.
Okay.
Persian garden is in other shape, I think. in
Oh,
others,
okay. I was
yeah.
gonna say because
Yeah,
I've
yeah,
heard
but
of that.
It's the same.
Same idea.
The
Okay.
difference is this is it belongs to the spa, but exclusive for Aqua Class members.
Hi. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful.
Okay, and here we have the salt therapy. It has Himalayan salts inside.
Oh, that's beautiful. Very nice.
It's very good for the skin, respiratory system, sinuses.
It's very pretty too.
And right here we have two steam rooms. One is the Turkish bath hammock and the other one is the aroma steam mist. The Turkish bath hammock has a marble bed inside where you can do your own scrub.
Oh, okay.
And here you have the aroma steam.
Uh-huh.
It has a fresh aroma like mint or eucalyptus, depending what we choose that day.
Oh, okay.
So here you will find the water therapy rainfall. I will show you. So you have the cold mist,
Oh,
and then you have the tropical rain.
Oh, wow.
wow. How cool is that?
Yes.
It's like playing in the rain without going outside.
Yes. And then all the way to the end, it's a combination of cold and hot.
Oh, okay.
So it's always very good before your steam room. Just take a shower so the pores of your body will open and it's more helpful for your skin.
For your skin.
Here
It's beautiful.
we have the changing rooms that we see on the other side, but this one will take you directly to the thermal sets.
Okay, thank you.
So here we have the Samsung float.
Oh, that's
Here we have these amazing honey chairs.
oh, that's just beautiful
Yeah, a nice place to relax and
in the
enjoy
sunshine. That's just lovely, and the green everywhere. I like that.
view. Yeah,
Thank you.
it's really nice. And here we have the energy healing crystallarium. It's a warm room, has a nice aroma inside and a crystal.
Oh, it does smell lovely in there.
This
It
is
does.
very nice for relaxation. Crystals are well known to absorb the heavy energy that sometimes we held.
Oh,
So it's very good for distress.
relaxing.
And this is the infrared dry sauna. This is the most hot.
Those are always warm. Thank you.
Alright. Now it's sunny.
I know.
Not raining anymore.
We'll go back out in a minute.
Just be careful with the sun at this time because it's strong.
Yes.
I know. It's very strong.
So are you going to stay for 2 days?
Mhm,
Or
mhm.
only 2 days?
Just till Sunday,
Okay.
yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is another of our specialty
Can you see,
bed.
love? Uh-huh.
This is Bemi bed. It's a pure wave technology. It has theta sounds. So when you are doing this treatment, the bed will be heated from head to toe.
Oh.
Then it will vibrate, and while you are lying down, you will be listening to the theta wave music.
Oh.
So you can feel now that it's vibrating.
Oh, yes, just gently. That's just perfect. Do you want to feel, love?
Yeah.
You can, here, put your hand on there. Maybe you would like that.
So this is very good if you want to relax your mind and body, because theta waves are very well known for balance the cells of the body.
When you change, you're gonna remove everything.
Wow.
Link your bottom
And usually the good thing about this is with a 50 minutes treatment,
Uh-huh.
it can give you like a 4 hours of rest.
Oh,
So for
that's nice.
Yeah.
Especially if you're sleep deprived, right? Yes.
So if you feel tired and then stress is very good.
That's very good.
Here we have our Kerastas Hair Institute. We have our stylists who analyze your hair and give you the best treatment for you.
Oh.
Then we also have our nail technicians. They have a special treatment like fire and ice treatment, pedicure, manicure.
Uh-huh.
So it's hot stone, a combination with the hot stone and the refreshing gel that has arnica, camphor, and menthol. So your legs will feel really relaxed and a beautiful fit
As
and
well.
hands. All right, and here we
Alright.
have the barber for the gents. We have wonderful treatment as well in the barber shop.
Did you get a facial last time we were on, or you thought about
No,
it?
it's just the body massage.
Oh, okay. I couldn't remember. Like, if
Yeah,
you
I
had
thought
done that.
about it, but did the facial massage or the body massage and thought that was good. I'll do the other one next time.
Yeah, sure.
So,
Oh, thank you.
All right. And upstairs we have our fitness center.
Uh-huh.
Now I don't know if you want to have a look.
I'm okay.
You're fine?
Thank you.
Alright, so fitness center is open 24 hours, so you can come anytime.
Oh,
And then
okay.
the spa is open from 8 in the morning until 10 in the evening.
Until 10.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Do you know if you want a massage
I don't
or
know
you want to
yet.
think?
I will- yeah, I'll
They'll
take a
think
look.
about it.
Right.
Okay. Thank you very much, Paola, right?
Thank you. Yes, Paola. Thank
Paola.
you.
Thank you
Keep
very
enjoying
much.
your day.
Oh, we will. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
yes.